Hey everyone, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. You can see this truck definitely has an aggressive look, and it's finished off in a very nice exterior color as well. Let's go ahead and start up front where you'll see the custom Rocky Ridge grille. It features a 20-inch LED bar in the lower section, and we even have the amber lights on the upper section of it as well. Of course, this truck comes with stock LED headlights. We have the turn signal just below that, and then in the lower section you can see the LED fog lights along with two tow hooks. And then making your way to the side here, you'll see some air inlets along with the smooth pocket style fender flares. Up on the hood, you'll also see it has a two-tone design with really nice aggressive lines. And then making our way to this side profile, you'll get another look at these fender flares. Definitely adds an aggressive appearance from the side. And below that, you can see the 22-inch deep dish wheels wrapped in a 35-inch tire. They have a two-tone design to them. You can see the red brake caliper covers just behind that. And then this has a 6-inch Rocky Ridge suspension lift kit as well. You'll also notice on the side profile, this model has a two-tone design. So the whole upper roof is finished off in black, just giving it a really nice look. And then being such a large truck, of course, we have the power deployable side steps, which will retract back into place, of course, when you shut the doors. You'll see we have the same smooth fender flare in the rear with the same 22-inch tire there. And then in the rear end of this vehicle, we have the body colored bumper along with the side steps on both sides. This has a Gibson exhaust system, which we'll go ahead and take a listen to. And then moving up to the tailgate, you'll see Chevrolet stamped running right through the middle of it. If we push on this button here, it has the soft open option, which is really nice to see. Of course, we have plenty of room in this bed here. And then it's a very light tailgate. You can even close this with one hand. Once inside our Silverado now, this is based off of the RST trim level. You'll see we have a really nice interior. We're gonna start off with these seats. They are leather and they're heated as well. And you can see the red stitching running down the inserts, it's down the bolsters, and we even have red surrounding the Rocky Ridge badge up in the headrest. Right in the middle of this particular model, in the armrest here, we do have a lockable gun safe, so you can place any items in there that you'd like to safely secure. And one of my favorite features is the gauge cluster on this model. You can see the Rocky Ridge logos around it with more of that red trim, and this model also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's a sunroof up top. From the driver's side now, we can take another look at the diamond stitching running down the centers of these seats. You'll also notice this has a heated steering wheel along with a Bose audio sound system. We have some really nice wood trim on the doors. And this is based off of the crew cab, so you can see there's plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. We have more of that diamond stitching. I love how Chevys have this door right here, so you can place any items behind the seat. And you can also flip up the bottoms of the seat. So if you need some more space in the interior, you have the option to do that. All right, so getting our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado out on the road now. We'll give it a little bit of gas. You can hear that exhaust as we get up to the speed limit. This truck has plenty of horsepower and torque to get it up and moving. First thing I want to go over though, aside from that, is the fact that this truck comes with the speedometer recalibration. So with the big lift, the oversized tires, you don't have to worry about that. You can drive this straight off the lot. This truck is ready to go. It rides and drives just like a stock Silverado. It's a very well put together kit, and it's also backed with a warranty as well. So this is a very comfortable truck to drive if you want to drive this every single day. It has an aggressive appearance from the exterior, a lot of nice features, and then the interior has a lot of nice features as well, as you've already seen in today's video. We'll go ahead and give it one last acceleration here. I love looking at this gauge cluster with the Rocky Ridge logos. We have these very beautiful seats with the red stitching, a lot of nice features like the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And overall, this is a very nice truck to drive. So there's a look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. Definitely an aggressive truck. It has a lot to offer. If you'd like to come test drive this truck and check it out for yourself, you can look at all of our contact information down in the description below.